So the next technique I'll be teaching you is called the slide and slur. The slide and slur technique. So now this is it. Slide is, you can actually do that on any of the string, right? So you can just slide like this. First of all, you can just take it very slow like that. So why that is actually called, that is what we call the slide, right? Then the slur is you will just shake it a little. So you slide and you slur it. So you see how it sounds, right? There is a little effect it gives. So you can just, so you can actually use any of the finger, right? So you can, why I'm actually teaching this technique is because it's something you're actually going to use while playing. So you see how I'm trying to use it, right? See how it sounds, right? So that is how it works. So slide, you can just take it up and you shake it a little. You shake it wherever your hand lands, you just shake it. Right? So like I said, you can actually use any of the finger. You can use the pinky, or the ring, or the middle, or the index, right? So that's actually what we call the slide and slur.